What if, at your fingertips, you could have a next-generation tool that will let you communicate, collaborate, navigate in a whole new way? Introducing the Avaya Flare Experience. Pull video, voice, text, any or all of your personal and professional digital assets together onto one supremely smart, unified interface that even tracks your history. It's fundamentally easy, intuitively brilliant. High def, low bandwidth. Avaya Aura powered. Revolutionary technology, game-changing economics. It's productivity on steroids, giving your knowledge workers a one-of-a-kind tool that takes collaboration to another level. And only the Avaya Flare Experience can take you there. Avaya, technology that puts people first.